Hello everyone! So again, I'm back. So this is Miss A. Caranza, licensed real estate broker based in Cavite. And right now, andito po ako ngayon sa Estancia Enclave. Just to make a vlog or a short vlog lang, just to make an update kung kamusta na yung amenities natin dito. So again, itong subdivision natin is actually may dedicated na 1.5 hectare na amenities. This is, ang ilalagay po dito is actually clubhouse, adult pool, kiddie pool, chapel, basketball court, playground. And right now, ang galing the pool, ginagawa na. So sa mga kliyente ko po nagtatanong kung kamusta ang update sa construction. Yeah, ito na po yun. Ayan, so ayun. So again by the way po, yung mga kliyente ko na naubusan ng commercial lot or ng commercial house o yung for the purpose of commercial unit, meron pang available tayo dito ha. Naku, sabi ko sa inyo, ang ganda po nito. Ito yung clubhouse natin. This is the 1.5 hectares na land for for amenities. Then ito yung unit na available. FYI. Ang ganda. Kasi imagine nyo po ha, ito naman kasi ang purpose naman nito. Pwede po siyang residential, pwede mo siyang dugtungan or lagyan ng extension for the commercial. Kasi nga po, itong area na to is dedicated for the shop house. Kumbaga po, itong unit na to, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng store or lagyan nyo ng water station or anything na pwede natin gamitin as our as one of our business. Ayun, so before further ado, again, if you are new to my channel, please do me a big favor. Please subscribe and hit the bell button found in the lower right of this video screen. Again, this is the 1.5 hectare. Ayan lang po siya Ayan, so ito yung unit. Available pa yan ha. I'm sorry kung faded na yung color, pero don't worry, before naman yan i-turn over sa inyo. Ayusin naman yan, i-repaint, and ang ganda nito. Ayun po. Thank you so much for watching and bless you all po. Bye!